Right, so here's a completed project, and it's actually come out really nicely. It took around about an hour or 20 minutes to print, so it doesn't take too long to print off, which is always a nice thing. And yeah, it's come out pretty good. So the things that you're going to need to complete this is some LEDs and some CR2032 kind cell batteries. I'll put a link in the description to these. I think these were like $1.50, something stupid like that. And these were like $2, so it doesn't really cost much to make them. Anyway, the way they go together is kind cell battery just slots straight into the hole there. And then I'm going to use a yellow LED. And then it doesn't matter which way, it will only work one way, but it won't damage the LED whichever way you put it in, because this battery can only supply around 50 milliamps, so there's no way that you're going to damage the LED. And I've had one of these glowing for around about 3 days, so yeah, there we go. And at night time they actually look quite nice, and I'm going to show you some video of that now. Okay, so please comment and subscribe, and make sure you hit that little bell icon next to the subscription button. That means then you'll get a notification of next time when I upload a video, and I will probably be making some more 3D printable things up in the future. So yeah, put a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, bye.